Okay, when you roll it up in a ball, this line, I think, bounces. Why? I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna see. I've never tried this before. Oh, snap, it bounces. Alright. Bye. Follow me over Katie, my nickname. Over Katie.com. Okay, bye. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below.
Alright, put this